Okay, bring it back slowly. Dump the quartz right there by the hopper.
The feldspar ratio is holding steady at 35%. Good. Let's maintain this input for the next cycle.
The temperature in Zone 3 is stable at 1200 degrees Celsius. Acknowledged. Maintaining current speed. The cooling corridor ensures a gradual thermal settling, crucial for the integrity of the Bisque ware.
The thickness on this batch is spot on.
Good. The automated sequence is running smoothly.
The temperature in Zone 3 is spiking slightly. Check the pressure valves. We need to maintain the curve.
Look at this batch coming through.
The decals look sharp. The heat is consistent. Make sure that's secure before you pull away. Fits. Confirmed on the tablet, we're good to go.
Here is your bag, ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day. You too.